sort of worked. That says it's a Japanese brand of mayonnaise. It's really more of a dressing. Okay. So kind of like Hellman's. Hellman's salad dressing. More darkness over here. Make this a little more black. So my wife and I, we're continuing to watch Loki. I really, over the holiday, we're talking about all the Marvel stuff that we haven't watched. Marvel is not what it used to be. Sorry to say. I think they were changing that. I think they're working on changing that. They went through this phase of brilliance, and then after a while there was a new CEO at Disney, and they wanted to make as much Marvel as possible. Well, there's only so much brilliance that you can get out of mass quantities. So the quality, you may have noticed, has suffered. Let this be a lesson to you, young artists out there. Quality is job one. Making it fast is not as important as making it good. Book is fast, but it's not good. Who's going to bother looking at it? Who's going to bother buying it? But it was made really fast. Okay, well, the The consumer doesn't care how fast it was made. The consumer cares whether or not they want to look at the pictures. Do they want to read this fast story? Alright, how does that look? How about a little bit more of this, a little bit more of that. Some diagonals. Diagonal, diagonal, diagonal. Does it look like a cistern? So anyway, we're very happy with Loki. That's the Marvel thing that has gotten the best score on Rotten Tomatoes. By the way, Rotten Tomatoes, I think you should make your scoring should be less tomatoes than I want to throw. The more tomatoes, it sounds like a bad rating. So, all right, here we go. Here we go, boys. I think we're ready for the next panel, boys. I think we've done it, boys.